Good morning. Nowadays, we know pretty well the pollution. Everybody is saying about the pollution. We are not only saying, but we are the victims of the pollution. And nowadays, all the diseases which we are, whether it is from skin to heart, directly or indirectly related to the pollution. Whether it is you say air pollution or land pollution or the soil pollution or even whatever the name you give it to that. What many people say about the problem, but it is the need of hour to say about the solution. Here you can find wonderful solution. Many of the solutions, all the children, all the students from various schools and colleges, and that too especially even from the 4th class to even 10th class, from government to private, from higher level to lower level, from Telugu medium to English medium, all the nook and corner of the society and all walks of the life, the children had come here and they are giving wonderful solutions about the deforestation and even the pollution, whatever it may be. They are giving wonderful projects and they are giving wonderful the setbacks which there are a lot of setbacks to implement various projects in the society, even from the hurdles or from the society, from the attitudes of the people or even from the attitude of the government. But here all the hurdles are wiped out, all the setbacks are put aside. The only one attitude is being given here, that is positive mental attitude, and the children are giving solutions to the air or whatever the pollution you call. And I appreciate the organization, Dhruvamsh organization. I appreciate the Big Bazaar. They have come forward to provide everything here, and the Mount Litra G School, the management and the principal side, whatever it may be. And especially, I should not leave this mic without appreciating two sections of the people. One is parents and the teachers. Without the encouragement of the parents, it is my humble request, you please seed the positive side of the nature, the positive aspects of the nature among the children into their brains. Once, if we give the positive nature of the world, whatever it may be, in the age of around 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, whatever it may be, they will automatically get wonderful attitude towards the nature, towards the environment, towards the ecology, and moreover, they can build their career which is related to, and that we call win-win policy. They will create their career which will be useful for the environment, and indirectly it will be, or in reverse, it will be useful for their career also. And second section of that is teachers. Without their encouragement, without their prospect, I think students can't come forward and take all these projects here. I salute the parents and the teachers here and the students, their energy level. It is, I think, everyone should come here and get awareness, and even we can make our house itself as an eco-friendly home. All the best. Thank you very much.